particular product will exfoliate your skin, hydrate your skin, leave it well moisturized and plumpy. If you are yet to introduce this product to your skincare regimen, guys, you should do so because you are definitely missing. Hello Besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melina. If this is your first time joining the family, you're welcome. Returning subscribers, I love you guys. Mwah! Today's video is a highly requested one by you guys, and come on, I can't say the number of times you guys have asked and requested like the Amlactin, like the face cream, like the Amlactin. Okay, so finally I said yes, let me drop this one for my family. I had to drop it because Amlactin is actually a product I've been using for long, and I used to mention it when I make a video. So you guys like, okay, tell us about the Amlactin, make a video on the Amlactin. So yes, today we have it. Okay, so I'll be spilling the tea and tell you guys, showing you guys how to get the best from your Amlactin to help you get smooth and even skin tone. Okay, and one thing you should know is that Amlactin doesn't have side effects at all. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive straight into the video. What you need to know about Amlactin is that it is #1 dermatology recommended cream for body, for your skin. Okay, and also you have to know that Amlactin contains the best. This one is said to contain AHA that helps in giving the best and getting the best out of your skin. Okay, so my experience with Amlactin, let me tell you that Amlactin have helped me to achieve smooth skin, baby skin, especially when I use it in the night. You know, Amlactin is so much that I can't really spill. You see, that's why the video will just be like here and there, because see, Amlactin is so much, and I can tell you, if you lay your hand on Amlactin, or if you start using Amlactin, you won't let go. A short story, I have been using Amlactin and it's a big one I used to get, but because of the current inflation and still how much I love Amlactin, I couldn't let go. So when the other one I used, right before this one, the big one I used before getting this one was around 32,000. That's a big one, and it lasted me for over 3 months, that particular one. So when I went to restock and the price was almost 50k, I had no choice. I couldn't just come home without shopping Amlactin, so I got the smaller one instead. I think this one's about 16,000 naira or so. I think about 16,000 naira. That is how much I got this one. So it is really worth it. It's worth the price. Okay, so if you're someone that looking to get smooth even skin, okay, how do you use Amlactin? This cream can be used alone or combined with body oil. I usually use this in the daytime with body oil, but in the night time when I'm going to bed, I use only it alone. You can use this for morning and night. Okay, you can use this cream for morning and night, not only in the day or in the night time. I personally use it day and night. Okay, and also, you know, you're supposed to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. So I use this on the days I don't exfoliate my skin, like 4 times in a week, but you still get that smooth, you know, that smooth body. It helps to even out your skin too. So see, all the reason you'll be looking for in a cream to purchase a cream, Amlactin has it. Okay, it is well moisturizing, exfoliates your skin, deep penetrating into the skin, high absorption, no perfume, paraben free, highly recommended. So if you're looking for a cream to help you even out your skin tone, if you're looking for a cream to help you get even skin tone, get rid of hyperpigmentation of all sorts, this cream will work for you, to go for you. Okay, it will do that magic for you. It's quite on the pricey side, but you don't even need to use it every day to get that much of it. So imagine if you actually start using it every day. Come on guys, so quit sleeping and hurry to add this Amlactin to your skin regimen. Okay, so to get the best out of this cream, do well to exfoliate your skin, like I said, 2 to 3 times. And if you are looking for more hydrating property, which I do that once in a while, if I want to get glow, not every time more, not every time. I don't combine it with oil every time. Maybe when I want glow on my skin, I combine it with my blemish care body oil. You all know how much I am so crazy about that blemish care, so I just combine in my blemish care and I use it together, and it gives me this glow right here when I go out. Okay, so another thing to note about this, that is how I use it to actually achieve high moisturizing, to get the high moisturizing property and glow from the cream. How do I use it to get more smooth and baby skin? I get that effect at night. So in the night when I'm done bathing my body, and I want to cream my body, I use Amlactin. I use it all over my body, and in the morning, I enjoy, and I get that beautiful babyish, effect on my skin. So you also notice that when you use it in the night and you wake up in the morning, it's before 2 weeks you actually see that effect of it getting rid of all of it getting rid of all this thing from you. Okay, so when you use it in the night and you wake up in the morning, you have that babyish effect on your skin, and you notice that it is gradually fading away the dark spot and the hyperpigmentation out of your body. Amlactin is the go-to when you actually want to deal with melasma, hyperpigmentation on your skin. You will actually love it. Amlactin is to go, guys. Okay, so I don't really want to make the video long. Grab this cream, replace it with your current cream if you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spot of all sorts, and you will love it, guys. Okay, all right, so that is that about that. I love the cream on. I so love it. Okay, but do well to use sunscreen if you are using it in the day time. Look at this, look at this is how this cream is. It is not like, it is not greasy and it is not sticky, so you will love it. Look at it in my hand, in my palm. So imagine if you not touch my skin. I love it. I so love it, and I'm very sure you love it. So go, hurry now, go grab an Amlactin, guys. You so love the effect. Okay, so and that is it for this time, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.